Shino Kids! Kids, welcome to the reading challenge of CVC Sentences. In this, first you will try to read the sentence and then I will read the same sentence for you. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. Kids, first you try to read this sentence. Kids, now I will read this sentence for you. Jam in the jar is red. Jam in the jar is red. Kids, I hope you correctly read this sentence. So, now let's move to the next sentence. Kids, read this sentence. So, the sentence is, the pug ran in the sun. The pug ran in the sun. Now, let's move to the next sentence. Try to read this sentence. Kids, I will read this sentence now. The mop is big and wet. The mop is big and wet. Kids, now try to read another sentence. So the sentence is, the cops run to the cab. The cops run to the cab. Very good, kids. Keep it up. Now try to read this sentence. So the sentence is, the old car did not run. The old car did not run. Now let's move to the next sentence. Kids, read this sentence. So kids, I will read this sentence for you. The kids got on the bus. The kids got on the bus. Very good, kids. Now let's move to the next sentence. Kids, now try to read this sentence. The sentence is, the hen can run and hop. The hen can run and hop. Kids, Now let's move to the next sentence. Try to read this sentence. So the sentence is Kim, Jim and Cat are at the vet. Kim, Jim and Cat are at the vet. Kids, now try to read another sentence. Kids, I will read this sentence for you. The dog and cat sits on a rug. The dog and cat sits on a rug. Kids, now let's move to the next sentence. Kids, try to read this sentence. The sentence is there are 6 buns in the big box. There are 6 buns in the big box. Kids, now try to read another sentence. So the sentence is I can go in the bus to see the vet. I can go in the bus to see the vet. Amazing, kids! You have successfully read all the sentences. Thank you, kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.